Monday.com Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Monday.com Affiliate Program. If you're interested, links to the program and more details are added in the description below. Let's get into it. Monday.com is one of the most popular work operating systems that helps businesses, teams, and freelancers manage their projects and workflows efficiently. Whether you're looking to track tasks, collaborate across teams, automate repetitive processes, or integrate with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, or Zoom, Monday.com has it all. It's designed for a variety of users, from small startups to large enterprises, helping everyone streamline their operations and increase productivity. Now, let's discuss the Monday.com Affiliate Program. It's a great opportunity for marketers, bloggers, content creators, and influencers who focus on project management, business productivity, or SaaS content. Once you're accepted into the affiliate program, you receive a unique referral link to share with your audience. Affiliates earn commissions when people sign up for a paid plan via that link. Monday.com offers competitive payouts, and depending on the traffic and leads you generate, your earnings can grow significantly. What's really great about Monday.com's affiliate program is the brand recognition. Monday.com is well established, and businesses are constantly looking for solutions to manage their workflows better. So, promoting a product like Monday.com is a natural fit for those who talk about business tools and SaaS solutions. The program uses Impact, a reliable affiliate network, ensuring that affiliates have easy access to their dashboard for tracking commissions, referrals, and performance. It's important to note that the program focuses on paid plan signups, so converting free users to paying customers is where your commissions will come from. In conclusion, the Monday.com affiliate program is an excellent choice for anyone looking to monetize their content by promoting a trusted, highly rated tool for project management. So, if you think your audience would benefit from Monday.com's features, I highly recommend checking out the program through the link in the description. Thanks for watching.